What we're going to look at today is how to put the sound icon on the tray up here where the time is, and by default with Windows it's always going to be there, but if you're new to macOS, what you'll find is it's not there, and it can be quite frustrating. So it's very easy to find it, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. You might notice this here, you won't be seeing this here. This is just a screen recording icon there. But what we're going to do is we're going down to System Preferences, and then we're going to go to Sound, and right down the bottom there, Show Volume in Menubar, which will come up here when I click this button. There we go. Nice and easy. Now it's quite similar. Can make adjustments here and there, and just like it was with Windows. So there we go for today. How to put the sound icon in the menu bar.